This is my boy Hassan. He's never traded before, but today we're starting a journey to turn him into a profitable trader. This is episode 1.
Let's go.
Let's go.
How's it going, guys? I'm with my boy right here.
What up, guys? Hassan, Erica.
And he has came to me because he wants to learn how to trade gold.
I do. So I'm actually 22 years old. I'm living in Tampa, Florida. I recently met Z, like, I'd say 4 months ago.
Yeah.
5 months ago, and our friendship kind of just like took off.
Started with the gym.
Started with the gym.
Run club.
Yup. Then we went on like 2 vacations.
Yeah. And now he wants to learn a little bit of my world. What do you do right now?
So right now I'm doing construction. I'm doing remodeling with a partner. And honestly, bro, I want the freedom of being able to trade from anywhere in the world if you have access to a laptop. Like, that just sounds amazing to me. And throughout the months that we've known each other, you've just been able to trade your strat and do what you do anywhere at any time, no matter what we're doing. Like last week, you literally traded gold while we're playing basketball. Bro, like hit 1700 while we're playing basketball, bro. Like, I was just in awe. Something about trading is so interesting because it's so psychological that it's like, it intrigues me to learn that type of mentality for myself.
Do you think it's gonna be easy?
No. From what you've told me, like you and your boys and everybody else, they've said that they've been doing this for so long and it's not easy. Like, I'm going in there with a mindset that I'm gonna fail.
Another question. Why me out of everybody? There's so many people online that you can find and you can join there. You know, there's bigger traders than me out there. Why do you want to learn from me?
Only reason why I would have not gone to anybody else but you is talking to you before I even knew anything about trading. You told me how your mentorship works. Like, you told me the fact that you don't have like this course where you just give someone like an essay to read over and that's it. Your mentorship like is one-on-one with the fact that you want to teach people exactly what you do. I've talked to other traders like of how much time you put in and the effort that you really put in to teach people how to make thousands and thousands of dollars a month should be worth its price.
How do you want to trade gold specifically?
Okay, for me, and this is like very simple, time. In the mornings, those are my busiest time. Bunch of stuff I have to take care of.
Because I told him during the day, NQ and ES move a lot, but during the night times around Asia and London sessions, when I start looking for trades on gold specifically. I have a separate strategy for NQ. This gold strategy, I have not released it to anybody so far. You're gonna be the first one to learn it, and you're gonna be the first one to, you know, see some success out of it.
Bro, I'm talking to you about like trades and your gold strategy. You're just sending me one of your balcony videos. You hitting like a +6 point, +60, whatever it is, every night, bro. Sending me a selfie on the balcony. We up.
All right, so right here we have gold. As you can see, do you understand anything that's going on?
Okay, literally the only thing based off of what I'm looking at that I understand right now is the price of how much gold is. Okay, it's so like highlighted.
Yeah, on the right side.
Yeah,
okay.
Everything else I'm looking at, no, I don't know what I'm looking at. There's a random blue line there and a blue line there, and then there's like a chart of just like what am I looking at?
Bro doesn't know anything. Okay, just to give you a little background on what this is gold. This is gonna be your bread and butter, okay? Okay, so you see my settings are a little bit different. I have gray and white.
The difference of the gray and white?
Yeah, so what would the gray candle be and what would the white candle be?
I'm gonna take a guess.
Go ahead.
Gray candle is like the open and the white candle is the close. Why are you laughing at me? Dude.
The gray candle is a bearish candle and the white candle is a bullish candle. Bearish means that price started up right up here.
Okay. Bearish went down, like a bear market.
Go downwards.
Okay. Bearish candle means it went down.
You have a notebook for Hassan so you can write everything down.
But my handwriting is so shit that I have to do in my notes.
That is crazy. How did you survive school? It's a bearish candle.
Okay.
That means price is gonna start at a higher point and it's gonna end at a lower point. Oh, okay, now looking at this white candle, where do you think it would start and where would it finish? Start right up here and it ended up here. So it started at a lower point, ended up at a higher point. That is a bullish candle. That's a green
That's why
candle.
it's white.
That's why it's white.
You just do it instead of red and green?
I have it white and gray because psychologically, if you see a lot of green, you're gonna think it's good. And if you see a lot of red, you're gonna panic. A lot of traders they do change their chart colors. If I'm seeing a lot of red, I'm like, holy shit, what is happening?
Yeah.
If I'm seeing a lot of green, I'm like, yo, what is happening?
Can I make mine pink? Because I like it pink.
No, because we're not trading like actual gold bars. We're just trading price. Right now, we're looking at the 5 minute right here, as you can see. Every candle right here is gonna
Wait, what'd you just do?
Brother, this guy stinks!
So I just click this, and these are my different time frames. So,
okay, like literal time frames, like in real time.
Yes.
Okay.
So every single candle in this represents the what? 4 hours. The top of this candle and the bottom of this candle. So this bullish candle started off, it went all the way down towards 4140.7. It went all the way up around 42.18, but it closed at 42.13. Now, if this is a 4 hour time frame, how many candles would there be on the 1 hour time frame between these two price marks?
4.
Between this 1, 2, 3, 4 candles.
Yep.
Cool. That doesn't mean that we're changing anything. It is just a time frame that we're looking at the markets in. Price is still gonna move up and down every single time frame.
Yeah,
every single time. It's just whenever you zoom out and whenever you zoom in. And why I'm talking about this is because whenever you're trading gold, it is best to look at the higher time frame. To get the
higher time frame.
Higher time frame is gonna give you the best entry and the best confirmation when it comes to gold. One thing about gold that you need to learn is how much money you make per point. So in a matter of 5 minutes, this candle has moved 7 points. How much money do you think per contract you would have made for this candle?
$70.
No.
Less?
You would make $700.
$700.
Yes.
Off of just that. What?
In 5 minutes.
In a 5-minute candle?
Yes.
So let's say it goes up 20 points.
It would be
$2,000?
Yeah.
In like a matter of minutes.
Yes. Let me show you how volatile gold can be. So in a matter of 3 hours, because right now it's 9 o'clock our time.
Okay.
Market open at 6 p.m. I want you to see how much price has moved.
That's in 3 hours.
In a matter of 3 hours, about 30 points.
The line. Wait, no. If it's a big line.
Wick.
Or a big wick. Gotta use the right terminology.
This is a handy dandy tool I like to use. It's called the futures calculator.
Ooh.
Before I enter any trade, I like to know how much I'm risking.
Okay.
How much I'm gonna be able to profit off of this.
Okay.
And this tool allows me to, calculate all of that. Let's say you buy gold at 4,100 and you sell it for 4,105. Obviously, with one contract, you're making how much? It's a 5 points.
$500.
$500. It says it right up there. Let's say instead of 1 mini, you're feeling ballsy, 3 minis.
Ooh.
Obviously, let's say if it's like an odd number, like 9.
Ooh.
You're making $2,700. And I would never tell you to go into a trade with 3 minis. That is crazy.
Yeah.
With the 50K account that we're gonna set you up with.
But this is just like an example.
Yeah. Okay. You don't need more than 1 mini when it comes to trading these 50K accounts. You see me trade just 1 mini, and you see how much I make.
Yeah.
The only difference is I have multiple accounts. Start you off with one Propform account.
Okay.
We're gonna help you pass that Propform account. We're gonna get you a payout.
Ooh.
We're gonna use that payout and we're gonna get you more accounts. That way you're copy trading accounts, and then you're just gonna multiply how much you're making by the amount of accounts you have. That's literally all it is. It's just gonna be the amount of accounts you have. Cool. That's it. Everything else is gonna stay the same. The trades are gonna be the same. Okay. You're just gonna trade on more accounts and you're gonna make more money. Scalability. Yeah. Same thing in your business.
Yep.
You go from one house to another house, nothing changes, you just have 2 houses now.
Yeah. All right.
I'm gonna teach you a little bit about like higher highs and higher lows. One thing that you need to know about the market is gonna make a high, create a higher high, and a higher low, and a higher high. A market would never just go like this and just keep on going up. There has to be a pullback. A newer high and a newer low.
Oh,
now,
I see.
we broke out of this high, created a newer high. That means we're in an uptrend. If you look at a chart like this right up here, you can tell we're creating higher highs and higher lows. Yep. That means we're in an uptrend. Trend is gonna be your best friend. Okay. You never wanna go against the trend. Before looking at this chart, and now looking at the chart, does it make a little bit more sense?
Way more. Actually,
so now you don't look at the blue line.
There's a random blue line there and a blue line there. I didn't know what I was looking at before, but now like I can look at it and tell you a little bit of what's going on.
So you already have your account set up. Log in here so I can record it.
All right, so this is my account, guys. I bought this account a couple weeks ago using code Zaeem on Alpha Futures for 20% off.
That's the best discount you'll ever get.
Let's go.
Now you must know that this balance right here is not at 50K. What happened? Would you like to explain?
Basically, first night I bought the account, I was way too excited. Ooh, 20% off, code Zaeem, Alpha Futures. Like, I was on a high, and I literally went in a random freaking trade, no strat, no talking to Z, nothing. I literally just went in a trade like a dumbass, basically. I was down. And then
we hopped on a Discord call, and I was able to revive, because he hit his daily loss limit, which was 1,000. So this account,
my first trade ever, it would just.
So this account was actually at 49,000 right up here. So the first actually took 4 trades.
4?
You took 4 trades.
Oh damn! I was like clicking random buttons, no idea what I was doing.
You took
That's
4
horrible.
trades, and the next day you told me we took 1 trade. As you can see on gold, we caught some shorts.
Yup.
For about 7.7 points.
Oh,
1 trade.
Me, I remember.
It took us 20 minutes.
Yeah, almost 8 points.
Almost 8 points.
Yep.
And 1 point is how much?
$100.
Boom. And we were able to revive this account somewhat. So on the month, you're still down $246. So with 1 trade, you almost basically forgot about this loss. This 4 trade loss.
Yeah.
You forgot about it in basically 1 trade. 1 good trade. So this goes to show you, you don't have to trade every single day. You don't have to trade every single minute in the market. You literally just wait for your setup. Once it shows up, you take the trade, you let it play out, and the proof is in the pudding.
Yep.
20 minutes, all it took, 8 points, and we were able to bring this account back
We revived
to life.
Yep.
Okay, we're still in a bit of drawdown.
But barely compared to what it was.
Barely compared to what it was. But yeah, this will be the account that we use for this challenge. By the end of this series, this account will be passed. And he will have a past funded account. All with the help of me. I'm not gonna, give him my trade. I don't want him to just take simply my trades. I want him to actually learn. Because as there's a saying, you give a man a fish, he eats for a day. You teach a man how to fish, he eats for a living. And that's what we're gonna do when it comes to trading gold with Hassan.
I can't wait. I know that the first trade that I took by myself, I just remember like how the emotions of it, and like it was so stupid and I didn't know anything I was doing. And then the second day when I took a trade with Z, the way I felt and just actually kind of understanding a little bit of what he was telling me made it so much better. So I'm so excited to just learn and learn from someone that genuinely knows what they're doing. Like a lot of people on this app, on social media and all of these different places will try to act like they know what they're doing, but they are not profitable traders. Since the first day I met Z and known him as a homie, before we even started talking about trading, this guy's been doing this for a living. This is his living. This is how he survives. This is how he lives on the 18th floor, the balcony guy, off of trading. So it's like a lot of people will lie to you. A lot of people will sell you courses for no reason. But Z is literally living this lifestyle off of being a profitable day trader.
Boom. There we go. Hell yeah.
Yes,
that's
sir.
gonna look amazing. All right. And now that we looked at gold, now that we looked at trading view, looked at the candles, talked about some higher highs, higher lows.
Yeah.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how confident do you think I will be able to teach you this?
Going into it, because I literally didn't know anything that I was looking at, I was at a solid 2. Like I had no idea what I was looking at. After this 30 minutes of talking to you right now and just you explaining the chart,
Yeah.
my confidence level has gone up so much. Definitely a 5 now.
5?
Minimum
we're
5.
We're making some progress already on day 1.
30 minutes, bro.
30 minutes.
And I actually feel like I know what I'm looking at on the charts.
Yeah.
Not how to trade, but just like enough to know what is actually happening.
And this is just like the start, obviously. The next time you see us on this balcony, we're gonna talk a little bit more in depth into trading. So we're gonna dive deeper into risk management, how much your sizing should be. We're gonna try to take a trade on camera live, and you're gonna see the difference between day 1 and when he passes that account, how much he's learned.
I'm a little nervous now that he said I gotta take a trade on camera, but I'm confident and I'm excited because I got the best motherfucking teacher right here.
There you go. That's the